Installing your new seat covers couldn't be any easier. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install and provide some useful tips along the way. Our high-back seat covers are compatible with both removable headrests as well as built-in non-removable headrests. You will notice that the front seat covers are all one piece. The fabric is tagged and the features are clearly visible. Attached is a clear plastic bag, and inside are metal clips to help secure the fabric, and a tag with instructions for fabric care. You will also notice elastic loops, buckles, and straps to help you secure the cover. Begin by slipping the cover over the high back seat and sliding it down around the backrest. Now, push the straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. Make sure your seat is moved forward to give yourself more room. Then, from the rear and under the seat, grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Slip the cover over the seat bottom. Then, use the adjustable straps to secure the covers. For a snugger fit, you have two options. Simply tuck the fabric in to secure the cover in place, or connect the metal clip to each loop and secure it to the underside of the seat. It's that simple. Now you can protect your vehicle's interior in style and comfort with your easy-to-install seat covers.